Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are doing really great. And finally, November 2020 attempt is done and dusted after all the hue and cry. And institute has been able to successfully conduct all the examination. And I hope जिन्होंने भी examination दिए they all are safe and healthy. Now this important update is for all the people who are going to appear in May 2021, even for the January 21, for May 21 and onward attempts, right? So all those, whether you are appearing for one group, whether you are appearing for the first one, second one, or both groups, this important update is for all of you, right? So what is the important update? Update is that I have been getting lot of queries in the recent days after the exams that, sir, you have uploaded complete course on YouTube, right? We have uploaded the complete courses on cost accounting. So we have basically three courses. Number one is cost accounting, right? That is paper number 3 for CA. Second is financial management, and third one is economics for finance. So we have these three courses, complete syllabus, regular course uploaded on YouTube, right? So I've been getting queries that, sir, are these lectures which have been uploaded applicable for May 2021 and onward attempt? And onward means the November 2021 also, right? So the answer is yes. These courses are applicable. What has been uploaded on the YouTube is applicable for May 2021. The reason is very simple, that these three are static subjects, right? There are hardly any changes in these subjects, and in future, in the coming weeks, in the coming days, in the coming months before your attempt, if there are any changes by the institute, we will definitely cover it on the YouTube, right? So nothing to worry about it. These three subjects you can completely cover from the YouTube. And मजे की बात एक बताऊं आप लोगों को क्या, कि सर नवंबर 20 का जो क्वेश्चन पेपर था, आई विल बी डिस्कसिंग दैट ऑल्सो, उसमें से कुछ क्वेश्चन ऐसे थे जो डायरेक्टली हमने YouTube पे जो क्वेश्चन किए थे उसमें से डायरेक्टली थे सर. एक क्वेश्चन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कॉस्टिंग का जो क्वेश्चन था उसमें फिगर्स भी सेम थी सर, फिगर्स भी चेंज नहीं थी, right? So it is not necessary that you have to spend hefty amounts and then only you will be getting the good quality coaching, right? Good quality classes, you can do it. You can cover at least cost accounting, financial management, and economics for finance completely from the YouTube. We have uploaded complete lectures, right? We have covered each and every topic on YouTube only in detail, along with the practice problems, right? We have covered the RTPs also. And in the coming days, I'll be discussing the November 2020 paper also of cost accounting also and financial management also, right? So what you can do is you can make the most out of this. Another important update is that the study material by KSJ Teaching, updated revised edition of study material is now available for cost accounting. We have two books. One is the concept book, other one is the question book, right? In the concept book, it is comprehensive books. These cover each and every topic, right? The concepts have been given in a very simplified way, which you can easily remember in the examination also, कि हाँ यार बुक में ऐसा दे रखा था, आपके दिमाग में एक इमेज बन जाएगी उसकी, right? And then you have the question book for the practice. Okay. Similarly, for the financial management also, we have the concept book and the question book. Earlier for the financial management, concept book was not there. We were providing the e-notes for that, right? But now we are providing the concept book also, right? Updated, revised edition for May 2021. Okay. And highly demanded economics for finance books are also available now, right? A lot of people were asking for that, sir, you have the lectures on economics for finance, we want the books also in the simplified way, because what is problem with the ICI material in economics for finance is it is not given in a simplified way, right? They have given in the huge paragraphs, which is not easy to understand, right? So what I have done is, in these books I have really simplified the content. I have given it in the pointers also. Wherever examples were required, I have given appropriate examples, right? So it will be very easy for you people to understand each and everything. Study from the free YouTube lectures, right? And if you have these books, you can read from the books and easily remember and retain the concepts in the examination. So this was the important update that I wanted to share, that revised edition for the books are also available. Sir, any other course required? Yes. One important other course that is available is the SM discussion series. SM discussion series. That is the study material question discussion series. Study material question discussion series. This is available for costing and for financial management, right? So it is available for both costing and financial management, in which what we have done is we have covered each and every question of your ICAI study module, new course. Okay, we have covered each and every question of study material, right? So you can follow this series also. All this you can get, even the books and this study material course, you can get it from the website. Sir, what is the website? Website is given here, www.ksjteaching.org, right? And if you have any queries left, you can always email us at ksjteaching@gmail.com, right? So this is the website and the email ID for any further queries. But I tell you guys, this is a very small investment with very high gains, right? Because you are getting these lectures absolutely free of cost, in which we have covered complete course. It is a regular course. It is not a fast track course. It is not a revisionary course, right? It is a regular course of cost accounting, financial management, and economics for finance. And these books complement these lectures, right? These books are in line with these lectures. That means once you listen to these lectures, then you can read from the books. You won't have to write much of the things from the lectures, right? Everything will be given in the concept book, and then you can follow the question answer book for your ample practice, right? So this is one important update that I wanted to share with you. People, share this with many people, with all your friends who can take the benefit from these lectures and from the study material, right? So this is one important update, and another very, 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 very important update coming in few days, guys. Stay tuned, keep watching the videos, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to it and press the bell icon for all the regular updates, right? So stay safe, guys. Thank you so much.